Hello, my name is Cody Groning, and today I'll be going over the apology video from Tiger Woods about his affair from 2010. So, just a little preface here, I want to talk about what I'm going to be talking about. So, in the video, Tiger really doesn't show a lot of emotion, so a lot of people felt that he was very robotic and that he wasn't showing a lot of emotion, which made people feel that it was very forced and that he didn't mean his apology, and there was a lot less value to it. So I'll be going through this a little bit and just showing you why that might have some validity to it. So let's start the video here. So as we start, we can see that Tiger is reading off of a script. He's looking down very constantly and then making direct eye contact with the camera, as you see right there, and then as all the viewers. And while he's talking to them, he's really not moving around a lot, which makes it sound like or seem like he's not putting a lot of emotion into it, that he doesn't really mean it. And that is kind of the first sign that I noticed that he might not mean what he's saying. He's talking to the fans right here and saying how sorry he is about it, but by not using his hands, by not speaking from the heart, by reading right off a script, there's not a lot of feel and emotion to it. And from watching one of the TED Talks, I really noticed that another thing that someone can have when they're not really speaking confidently and truthfully is that they don't really have a good power pose. And what I mean by that is when someone's speaking powerful and vibrant and loud, they're going to use their hands a lot. They're going to stand with a wider stance. They're going to stand with their shoulders up and out and be very loud, like those people that you really just don't like talking to just because they're so in your face. Tiger is the exact opposite. For an apology video, you don't necessarily want someone that's up in your face, but you'd like someone that's showing emotion and that's really using their hands, telling you that they mean it. Here, Tiger has his shoulders slumped, not moving around. He's really not powerful. He's kind of shelled up like a little turtle, and he's not meaning what he's saying. So, those two big points I really wanted to point out, and there really is some validity to what people say about Tiger's apology video. It's very robotic, doesn't have a lot of meaning, and that really can contribute to the public viewing it as a non-heartfelt thing and that he was very forced to do it. So I really hope that I enlightened you a little bit and that I kind of taught you something about how people might be viewed or how you might be able to view someone that's doing an apology in a public setting. Thank you very much. Have a great day.